Okay, here's the Caddy part number DR4SF36. This is the drop smooth rod with shot fire bracket. Now, as you notice, they come in a nice package there, and they're ready to install right out the box. The package itself had, as you noticed, it had a handle, and you can go ahead and carry that around the job site nice conveniently. Includes the instructions, and there's a look at it. The rod is rigid and does not require secondary attachment to ceiling grid per National Electric Code 300.11. Now that yellow cap right there, that's included. It's pre-assembled. It's, it stands out a little bit so you don't hit your noggin probably. Quickly and easily installs to concrete, steel, or composite metal decking. Now the integrated pin right there, that installs easily using powder-actuated or single-shot gas-actuated tools. It's a nice view of it. We do sell these individually on the website. As you can tell, they do work with most Caddy products. There's a nice look at the J-hook with the 4Z34 clip, and along with some, quite a handful of other parts. Keep your install looking nice. Let me show you where they're at the website. You want to go ahead and click the cable management there. Click into the J-hooks bridle ring section. Scroll down. We got a bunch of stuff there. You're going to want to go to page 3. And we do carry pretty much most of the Caddy products. And as you can tell, we have different sizes there. There's that 12-inch, the 24, the 36. Available pricing, you want to go ahead and, when we're looking at it's the 36. And there's some other photos. There's bulk pricing. There's also more, pretty much a lot more information. Everything you need to know about this item. On the bottom, downloads there, you have PDFs, spec sheets, and some other information from the manufacturer. That's going to pretty much do it. Order at discountlowvoltage.com.